Air pollution is the presence of chemical substances or particles suspended in the atmosphere that are hazardous for the health or for the nature. I'm studying atmospheric reactivity of very precise compounds in the atmosphere, organic nitrates. These compounds are secondary species. It means that they are not directly emitted to the atmosphere, but the other compounds that are present in the atmosphere, they react and form these organic nitrates. In particular, what I'm doing is to study the reactivity of these species in the aqueous phase of the atmosphere, meaning in the clouds, in the fog, in wet aerosol or particles covered with water. These compounds are very important because they are transporting the pollution from polluted places to more remote areas. In Saint-Jérôme, in the Institut de Chimie Radicalaire, we are doing mostly, it's first to synthesize the compounds. This instrument, what it's able to do, is to detect the radicals that are formed. So we are going to emulate a reaction of the organic nitrate with hydroxyl radical, which is the main radical in the atmosphere, and we are going to try to detect these radicals.
Allez, un coup sec, c'est possible. Allez. Voilà. On va un peu reprendre la vis d'iris. Ah, il y a quelque chose. On a quand même des choses qui se détachent là.
And then in the laboratory LCE, we follow and study this reactivity in particular. We photolyze the compound or photooxidate the compound, and we try to identify the products and their kinetics. We are working with Sud, which is a governmental organization that is monitoring the pollution in the Région Sud in France. During my research, we were performing some experiments together to understand the importance of the organic nitrates in the transport of nitrogen oxides that are one of the main pollutants of the atmosphere. The final goal of my research is to understand the chemistry of these compounds in the atmosphere in order to understand how they are transporting the pollution. In the short term, the data that I have produced, it can be used to improve already existing models in order to predict the transportation of the pollution and to predict pollution events.